We have claims and we got important things to talk about, and without wasting time, we jump to the first argument, and it's the first claim of the video. And this is regarding your Argant X wallet, for the Starknet wallet that we used to go and utilize. There is a link for the OG imposter spock now, which you can go and click over it. I will leave a link down below. You can check your eligibility and see whether or not you are able to go and claim it. I am not personally able to claim it, and this one is for the OG imposter spock with the Argant X on desktop or mobile. The deadline is in 7 days, and only important Argant X account will be eligible. Did you try claiming on a different account? So meaning that you needed to have a claiming or better an eligible account which has been imported, which in my case I don't have it. I've only had it over here. Next up, a very important update. It's a new base singular NFT to go and mint over on Zora. As you see here, there are a singular NFT, so it's a page where everybody mints their NFT. There are 156,000 to go and mint, but they are all very individual. It costs $2, so make sure to go and do it. You go and mint it as we're doing right now. And the good thing about this and the singularity about this, which why it's very important for the Zora airdrop as well as the base airdrop, every time you go and mint one of these NFTs, it gets added over here, and all of these are individual and all of these are unique. The color changes, the patterns changes, and everything changes, and you will find yours over here as well on the top. This one is mine at the top, as you are able to go and see it. So mine is different than this one, and it is very important that you go and mint it right now. You can either mint one, you can either mint two, depending on your funds, but this one with base X Zora, it is super important. If you mint 10 of those, you will have 10 different NFTs over here, and as you see, all of them, if you look at them carefully, because of the pattern, because of the colors of the circle, everything is different. And this is a singularity NFT drop for the base and Zora airdrop from their official mint NFT, guys. So definitely go and check it out. And another one which has just been tweeted out 10 minutes ago on May 8th, as you see over here, from the official Zora account is this one, which we have the possibility to go and see it here. As we said, we always go and mint the one that Zora itself goes and talk about, goes and tweet about. So we go and mint this one as well. It could be a multiplier for the airdrop. It could be simply a airdrop criteria to go and mint as many as their official tweeted out Zora account NFTs. And this one is one of those, so we mint this one, but this, the base one, super important. Do not miss this one. All of them, both of them will be linked down below so that you can go and get yours, and make sure to mint it. This one in particular is just, I like it. I really like it how they've done this, that it is completely different one to the other. No matter whether you mint 200,000, 300,000, there will still be individuality and singularity with all of it. Next up, I want to talk about an update. Yes, we're gonna go and talk about the DBank airdrop. Do not worry, DBank airdrop is right here, and you still have time to go and mint it. You're not too late, and if you already started, make sure to go and participate. Make sure to go and do your transactions today that you're watching this video. But before this, I do want to talk about Wormhole and their update. As you see, they tweeted this one, that the wormholes are among the most mysterious theories in existence. Once you enter a wormhole, it can lead you anywhere in space, time, and internet culture. Now, Wormhole, you are a great thing. Like, the airdrop was great, super hyped, great protocol. Yet, you put something out, and guess what? It doesn't work. Like, I don't understand this. Everybody was expecting stacking of the wormhole. Everybody was expecting Solana airdrop, Wormhole 2.0, eligibility for the Wormhole 2.0. You've been great, but yet people just want the opportunity to stake and increase their rewards. Nobody wants this thing. Nobody wants to go and do this thing. There's something wrong with the website. There's something wrong with every single website. Even, for example, if we go to twitter.com, for example, it is still like every website is atrociously bad. I don't know what they came up with and why they did this, but we'll leave it to it. There was a little update. Everybody was super hyped. It's stacking. Is this? Is that? Nothing is working. It is actually a super bad experience. Once again, Wormhole, you just keep on going down and down. But talking about the DeBridge airdrop and what is important that you need to go and do and complete for this airdrop. Well, first of all, you will find the referral link down below if you wish to support me. Thank you very much. You will find this referral link, and we are 115 of us making trades. It is very important that you go and do your trades right now and we go and increase the point system. I got already my point system by myself. I am farming this hard. I am top 100 right now, and I want to keep it like this. And we got a few different things to talk. First of all is go and farm your points. Second of all, it is your Solana second wallet, which you can go and farm 2 wallets for 1 airdrop in this protocol. And the third one is their new update on the Zeta markets allocation that they receive, and how you are able to go and earn Zeta point, Zeta token, DeBridge token as well. So we jump out. First of all, if you didn't know, very important that you go and send funds from your DeBridge wallet. So for example, let's pick my Arbitrum wallet over here. We send funds from DeBridge or from our EVM wallet, from MetaMask, to Solana. So simple thing, you just sign up to your Solana wallet over here, and you go and send a few tokens out to your Solana wallet. You simply click over here on this one, and you will go and send it over here. So we send 0.01 ETH, or actually let's send 0.1 ETH from the whatever chain you want to Solana wallet. We send it over on Solana. We click over here and we receive this one. Now, I do have the Drip NFT, which we did talk about in a previous video, but let's go and send first one, this one. So now we are farming our EVM wallet. We're getting points for bridging our EVM from our EVM to Solana. But things that you didn't know, aside from the Zeta market, which I will show you, you do need to transfer funds in your Solana wallet to go and earn the Zeta token. So follow this step closely. We have token on our Solana wallet. Now, if you see here on the top, these are my points. Now we switch and we send from Solana to our Ethereum wallet. You see that the points have changed. This is because we are farming 2 different wallets. If you go and send token from your EVM to Solana, you're farming 1 wallet, but then you can also send your EVM token, your Ethereum that you send from your EVM to Solana, back to the EVM token to go and farm another wallet. And as we're able to go and see, this one has 37,000 points and is a second wallet that I am farming. And all you gotta do, simply go to your EVM wallet, copy your address, paste it over here, and send the tokens as many as you can. Send them all back. It will cost you gas fees, it will cost you transaction. Absolutely yes, because this is a bridging protocol. But by doing this, this is a token that will be given to you, the airdrop, based on the gas fees that you go and spend. The more you spend, the more points you accumulate. The more points you accumulate, the bigger will be your rewards. And by doing this, we are going to farm 2 different airdrops or 2 different wallets for the airdrops. But once we've done this, and you can decide how much you gotta go and do it, how many tokens you have, this is completely up to you. This is just what I'm doing. I'm farming it. This one, I want to farm it a little bit, but I am focusing mostly on my main EVM wallet to get the biggest reward. This one, I will try to aim to top 1,000 to get at least a decent percentage of it. But moving forward for the Zeta markets over here, which is a community airdrop, a secondary airdrop for DeBridge, which, by the way, already has the Arbitrum given to them for the bridging from Arbitrum to Optimism, which will come in very, very soon. We go and look at the Zeta bridge over here. To distribute the airdrop, Zeta is running a trading competition, as we see, and where 1% of the supply goes to just 7 communities, and DeBridge is one of them. As a close supporter of Zeta, DeBridge gets 0.08% of Zeta's total supply, which is plus a potential bonus. Here's how you're able to go and trade. You can be eligible to pledge your allegiances to the DeBridge over here. So make sure, I will leave you the link down below. This is the official page, to the dex.zeta over here. And we go to their website. We will be redirected over here. You have to bridge at least 5 times to Solana on DeBridge, which this means this is from Solana, what I'm doing now, to Solana means that you need to bridge from Ethereum to Solana 5 times. Whether you can do this, the amount that you have, in smaller portion or in bigger portion, it is completely up to you. But you need to bridge a total of 5 times to Solana, as well as from Solana if you just want to make it even bigger. So by doing that, we are going to be redirected to the Zeta token over here. Then you can earn Zeta score by trading on Zeta market. So this is by trading over here. You will send your token over here. We got the Solana wallet, and we can see we got the Jupiter, the Pyth, the Tensorian, the DeBridge. Here we go and join the DeBridge over here. At least 5 transactions on Solana. We proceed and we go and sign up to pledging our allegiances to the DeBridge protocol. Congratulations, you pledge. Now you can start trading. And now you can go over here. You got all of the tokens that you need to go and deposit if you want to deposit, if you want to go and trade, etc. And by doing this, you earn that score by trading on the Zeta markets to get this extra bonus. The allocation of Zeta token will be distributed proportionally among DeBridge users based on the Z-score. If there is no Z-score, which is this one over here, which you do receive by depositing funds and going to trade over on their platform, you're not going to receive the Zeta allocation either. So it is completely up to you. If you do this one only, if you go and bridge from Solana to EVM, in and out, back and forth, you will not receive the allocation. You need to do first step is to go and bridge from the bridge in and out to Solana. And then once you have it, you will be able to do it over here, which is very important. So MetaMask to Solana, Solana deposit to Zeta, Zeta trade over here on the platform, whether you want to do Solana perpetual or USDC, whatever you feel comfortable. Make sure you know what you're doing, of course, because this one is trading and you could be potentially losing. Otherwise, just leave it. But go and qualify for the DeBridge airdrop at the best of your capacities. And by this, I mean farm these two wallets. Go in and out, EVM, MetaMask to Solana, Solana to MetaMask, farm two wallets at once. Try to reach as much point as you can. Of course, everything depends on your situation, on your financial situation, and how much you're able to afford to go and do it. But as we see over here, the experience as well, head to Solana, to the DEX Zeta Market, connect the Solana wallet, make a deposit, which is what I didn't do, but you need to do over here, which is simply by going down over here, deposit to USDC to start trading. I do have, you can bridge the funds as well. So if you want to bridge the funds, maybe do from your Arbitrum or whichever chain to the USDC over on Solana. Don't click Solana over here, click Solana, yes, and then click the token that you want, in this case USDC, and then you are good to go. But it is very, very important. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this protocol. And DeBridge is definitely super important to go and learn. And make sure you do, make sure that you go and find out everything and farm the two wallets of yours. With that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.